When the rubber meets the road and you are facing an imminent lethal threat, your hardware cannot fail. There are no do-overs in a gunfight. You get one chance to stop the threat and go home alive. Today we are taking a hard look at 7 pistols that have earned their stripes in the reliability department. We are not talking about safe queens that only see sunshine on polished indoor ranges. These are warfighters. These are the duty weapons riding in officer holsters on the graveyard shift. And they are the trusted companions of armed citizens who refuse to be victims. If you need a sidearm that goes bang every single time you pull the trigger regardless of the conditions, this is your list. Number 7. The Springfield XD Series. Starting us off is the Springfield XD line. Now some of you know the history here. This platform started life as the HS-2000 down in Croatia before Springfield brought it stateside and put their roll mark on it. It caught fire in the US market because it adhered to 3 basics. It runs when it is dirty, it fits the hand well, and you do not need an engineering degree to run it. The defining feature here is that grip safety on the backstrap paired with the striker-fired action. I know guys who love this for appendix carry because it adds a passive layer of mechanical safety when reholstering. Others hate it, but it works. Durability is a non-issue here. You have a forged steel slide riding on a polymer frame that can take serious abuse. We are talking thousands of rounds between serious cleanings if you are pushing it hard in a class. While they make these in every major caliber, the 9mm variant is the sweet spot. You get a 4-inch barrel and 16+1 capacity on tap. The good? It is a tank, it is affordable, and maintenance is a breeze. The bad? That grip safety is polarizing. You are either fully on board with it or it is a deal breaker. Street price usually hovers around $550 to $600, making it a serious contender for a budget-friendly duty gun. Number 6. The Smith & Wesson M&P 9. Sitting at number 6 is a platform designed explicitly for guys who carry a gun for a living. The Smith & Wesson M&P. That stands for military and police. And Smith did not just slap that name on for marketing. This striker-fired workhorse has seen massive adoption across law enforcement agencies nationwide. When this thing dropped, its biggest selling point was the modular grip system. Those interchangeable palm swells let you tailor the frame to your actual hand size, which was a game-changer at the time. A properly fitted grip means better recoil management and faster follow-up shots. It also features a notably low-bore axis. That means the barrel sits lower in your hand, driving recoil straight back instead of flipping the muzzle up. The stainless slide is finished with their Armornite treatment, which is incredibly resistant to sweat and corrosion. A vital feature for a daily carry piece. The standard full size gives you a 4.25-inch barrel and 17 rounds of 9mm on board. Pros? Excellent ergonomics and a track record of unwavering reliability in patrol cars across America. Cons? The early generations had a trigger that felt like snapping a wet sponge. They have vastly improved it in the 2.0 models, but the aftermarket is still huge if you want a crisp break. Expect to pay between $550 and $650 for a new one. Number 5. The Heckler and Koch USP. Number 5 is what happens when German engineers decide to build a tank you can holster. The Heckler and Koch USP. Universal Self-Loading Pistol. When this hit the scene in the early 90s, it redefined what overbuilt meant. Heckler and Koch designed this thing to survive environments that would turn lesser guns into paperweights. The testing protocols for the USP were absolutely brutal, far exceeding typical NATO standards. It just does not stop running. The genius of the USP is its modular trigger group. You can set this gun up as a traditional double-action single-action with a decocker, or you can run it cocked and locked like a 1911 if you prefer that manual safety. It was way ahead of its curve on adaptability. In the full-size 9mm configuration, you get a 4.25-inch barrel and 15 rounds in the magazine. The downside, it is an H&K, so you are paying the German engineering tax. Street prices usually run between $900 and $1,000, but for that coin you are getting one of the most bomb-proof handguns ever created. Number 4. The Colt 1911. Number 4 needs no introduction. The Colt 1911. John Moses Browning's masterpiece. Adopted by the U.S. Army in the year 1911, this single-action 45 ACP has stacked bodies in every major conflict of the 20th century, from the trenches of France to the jungles of Vietnam and the deserts of the Middle East. It is still serving today in specialized units, because some professionals simply demand that 45 caliber thump. The magic of the 1911 is that straight-pull, single-action trigger. It is the gold standard against which all other triggers are judged. Short, crisp, predictable. It allows a competent shooter to run that gun with surgical precision. While Colt is the original, nearly every manufacturer on the planet now makes a version of this platform. Government models typically run a 5-inch barrel with a capacity of 7 or 8 rounds of 45 ACP. Pricing is wild here. You can get a functional GI spec gun for $800, or you can drop $5,000 on a hand-fitted custom Marvel. It is heavy, it is low capacity by modern standards, but its track record is undisputed. Number 3. The Beretta 92 FS. Sliding in at number 3 is the veteran of the modern U.S. military. The Beretta 92 FS, known to service members as the M9. This DASA workhorse replaced the 1911 in 1985 and served as the standard issue sidearm for over 3 decades. It earned its stripes the hard way in Iraq and Afghanistan. The signature open slide design is not just for looks. It massively increases ejection reliability because there is almost zero chance for a stovepipe malfunction. The brass just has nowhere to get hung up. The double action pull is long and heavy, intentionally designed that way for safe carry without a manual safety engaged. But that follow-up single action shot is sweet. It is a big gun. You get a 4.9-inch barrel and 15 plus 1 rounds of 9mm. You can usually pick one up for around $700 to $800. It is battle-proven, iconic, and remains one of the smoothest shooting 9s on the market due to its size and weight. Number 2. The SIG Sauer P226. Number 2 is the thoroughbred that ran neck and neck with Beretta for the military contract. The SIG Sauer P226. While it technically lost the big Army contract due to unit cost, it was immediately adopted by the Navy SEALs and countless other Tier 1 units globally. That speaks volumes. When the budget was not the primary concern, the professionals chose the SIG. It is a metal-framed DASA gun featuring SIG's legendary frame-mounted decocker. No manual safety to fumble with under stress. You just decock it and holster it. When you need it, you just pull through that heavy double-action first shot. The alloy frame gives it enough heft to soak up 9mm recoil like it is nothing, making it incredibly fast back on target. Standard flush-fit mags hold 15 rounds, and it runs a 4.4-inch barrel. Quality costs money. You are looking at $900 to $1,200 for a new P226, but if you want a pistol that will likely outlive you, this is it. Number 1. The Glock 19, and sitting at the top of the heap, the pistol that completely standardized the modern defensive handgun market. The Glock 19. This is the yardstick by which all other carry guns are measured. It is the perfect balance of size, capacity, and weight. Big enough to fight with, but small enough to conceal under a t-shirt. Glock's polymer revolution changed everything, keeping the unloaded weight under 24 ounces. It features a 4-inch barrel and holds 15 plus 1 rounds in a package that just works. The safe action system is simple. Point it, press the trigger. It goes bang, every single time. No external safeties, no decockers, just immediate readiness. It is also the most customizable pistol on the planet. If you can think of a part or an accessory, someone makes it for the Glock 19. You can find them in every gun shop in America for about $550 to $600. It might not be the prettiest gun on this list, but it is arguably the most practical defensive tool ever made. So, that is the list. 7 platforms that have proven they will run when your life depends on it. From the century-old 1911 to the modern polymer wonders like the Glock, these are the gold standards of reliability. Now I want to hear from you down in the comments section. Which one of these is riding in your holster today? And what legendary reliable pistol did I leave off this list? Let me know below. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you do not miss our next review. Train hard, stay safe, and we will see you next time.